Okay, here we are, guys, joining Tom with his amazing 650S with Darwin Pro full carbon fiber build on the sides, massive 315 Toyo tires, upgraded Forge Line wheels, and then over 1,000 horsepower. I really appreciate it, Tom, letting me take this thing out for a spin with you. I'm very excited because a lot of people really enjoy throwing a ton of horsepower at their McLarens. This is your first McLaren, like you're telling me, and this seems perfect for the half mile or some of those crazy events where you're on an airstrip, right? I was just in a 650S actually in England for the Goodwood Festival of Speed. It was a lot of fun. I got to drive that after driving a 675 LT. But altogether, you know, you were telling me this off camera, these engines, the 3.8 liters, they're found in basically almost all the McLarens, just different derivatives of it, tuned a bit differently. So you can make these get a ton of horsepower.
Correct.
Relatively easily, just like the other ones.
Correct.
What kind of gas are we running right now?
We're running 91 Cali 91.
Oh, that's not the best gas
it.
at all.
They make 750 wheel on Cali 91.
Wow. That sounds insane. Do you mind if I put on sport
No.
active? Lastly, let's lower that back window so we can hear more of the sounds of the exhaust.
Okay, that's fine.
First gear. Oh, those noises are incredible.
Breaking the tires loose.
Oh my gosh. How do the downshift sound? Oh my gosh.
They told me it spits flames on the downshift, so.
You gotta send me the dyno video.
Sounds like there's a little bit of the dyno video where it sounds like an F-18 or something.
Is this basically
Crazy.
straight piped? What kind of exhaust
Basically
system?
straight pipes.
Just thinking about how much power we have under the right foot is just insane.
Incredible.
I'm gonna do a crazy sideways angle. You gotta get used to that with these vehicles.
Yeah.
Let's go into track transmission, see how that feels.
Yeah.
You can leave on aero
Yeah.
mode.
Man, that thing comes up when you brake though. Wow.
Oh yeah, the air
It's
brake.
really a functional air brake.
You're gonna make some neighbors very mad with this.
Well, they're not that close, so that's okay.
I love how even in the slow speeds, you know, it's got 700 wheel horsepower 91, 900 plus on the extra octane.
Yeah.
Even driving in the slow speeds, though, it's still fun. Like, I
Yes.
can't stop smiling if we're going 30 miles an hour.
I know. We're cruising with my friend on the freeway, and he's like, you feel like you're in your driveway going 80.
Oh my gosh! That is insane, dude!
Is that traction control off?
Oh, no, it's in track mode.
Oh,
so
that's
it's
all
still,
in track mode. It does
Yeah,
that.
it's still on.
Oh, okay. I'm learning something watching you drive it. So.
There's something about this cabin. I'm a big fan, like these side mirrors, the way it's so elegantly laid out. This car's a bit timeless to me. You know that?
Yeah, it is.
It really is.
They really are amazing.
And then you have the AC controls on the outside.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. How do I
Yep.
turn down the AC again?
You
Oh,
can
you
turn
spin
on
it,
the
right?
that's the temperature.
Oh, the
and
lower
then
one,
the
right?
fan.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Ridiculous.
What did you build, man? That's insane. That's insane. You're gonna have a ton of fun. You gotta drive this hundreds of miles back home.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
That's gonna be a lot of fun.
My wife said, "Take it easy the first day. Don't get a ticket on your first day with your built car. You're gonna you're gonna regret it."
We're taking it easy right now.
Yeah. I can't.
Oh my God. Yeah, and it just, I know, again, so many people throw horsepower on their McLarens, and it's incredible how much they can take. The fastest cars in the half mile that I find too, a lot of them are 720s or other built versions like yours, and they're getting up to 220 miles an hour on even full mile runs. It just, like, you can take down so many custom built race cars for that purpose.
Yep.
And then you can drive it on the street, have fun, and smile like this.
Yep.
Can you change the
Amazing.
tunes actively with this? Or how does that work?
Yes, with that, the snow meth, but he told me to leave it in 91 till I get used to it.
Okay.
But that's how you change it. You run through it. Yes.
So
it has a double dual phase. So it comes in at lower RPM and it comes in at higher RPM again. Meth in my Shelby, my 2014, but it just comes in at about.
Oh my God. Look at your reaction, man.
It's ridiculous.
Oh. Truly ridiculous.
You think everybody knows? 1 mile. Guys in a yellow car.
The bright
Nothing
yellow.
is disturbing the peace. Just ridiculous, isn't it? It's just ridiculous.
Absolutely. You got to track it though for fun. Too.
Oh yeah.
Just to see what it can do on the track.
Absolutely.
Look at your face.
That's ridiculous.
Oh
wow. My God.
We have one more exit to go. This is insane, man. You got a carbon fiber tub supercar with active aero that accelerates like that. What is second gear like? It's popping.
The pops.
Okay, I think that's a bit too much fun for me.
That was ridiculous.
I gotta take a break now.
That was
Thank
amazing.
you for the chance to try out your
you're
amazing
welcome, Austin.
650S. This is insane, man.
Very much. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Oh my gosh, I love the turbo noises that are happening, right? When you let off on the gas.
It's like a dragon hissing or a snake.
Exactly. The beauty of all this power is that you've got a carbon tub chassis, so it's able to handle so much horsepower.
Yep.
Well, this is my first time being in a high horsepower tuned McLaren, but dude, this is blowing me away. Oh, it's a Mach 1 right there. Wow. How are you liking it so far, Tom?
Pretty amazing. Very happy. It's got a Darwin Pro wide body kit. It's amazing. It's got a P1 hood with functional vents and radiators.
Guys, let me know, should we add power to the McLaren? Should we see if we should
The answer is yes.
Yeah. Guys, let us know again your thoughts. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next episode.